twin locks on the back door of a North Star camper. I originally put these dual locks on so that if my wife is in bed, she doesn't have to get up to lock or unlock the door if I'm outside. Because a lot of times she'll be watching TV in bed in the evening when I'm out walking around the campsite or out in the woods with a GPS. Anyway. This is the remote that controls it, and we'll give you a quick demo here. So what you have to understand is that this small key fob remote operates both of these locks, the upper and the lower, simultaneously. And here's what the little hasp in the door looks like. There's also a keypad, so if you have a guest coming, you can program this keypad to whatever number you want and just put this keypad perhaps underneath the bumper or under the gas flap on your truck and tell them get the keypad and just hit, for instance, 2525, and it'll open it. And this is reprogrammable. Obviously I can make any code I want on here, and this way if you have a guest or somebody coming, tell them the code, tell them where this is, they could get in, and you can always change the code again, so it's a new code.